theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then evaluate tan theta plus cot theta. Given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Squaring on both sides, sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 2 whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to, here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta is equal to sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to, therefore tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then evaluate tan theta plus cot theta. Given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Here put theta is equal to 45 degrees. LHS sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. So that is equal to 2 by root 2. That is equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled is equal to root 2 is equal to RHS. So therefore theta is equal to 45 degrees. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to tan 45 degrees plus cot 45 degrees is equal to tan 45 1 plus cot 45 1 is equal to 2.